So let's learn the fundamental features of JavaScript. JavaScript is the most popular and widely used programming language right now. So why study JavaScript? JavaScript is one of the three languages all web developers must learn, and JavaScript is used to program the behavior of websites. Normally, we put our JavaScript code in the script tags. Document.write, so output text. Normally, the document.write is mostly used for testing. And what it will do is it will write an expression element to the document. Var value equal to 10. Console.log put value into bracket. So console.log is a function in JavaScript which is used to print any kind of variable. Normally, this also is used in testing. To see the console, we will go to inspect, console, and here it is. So 10 is displayed. And now we can also display string value. And as you can see, the string value is displayed. So now let's alert it. And it will be displayed in a message box. The default message box is displayed. 5 plus 5 and 10 is displayed. Now let's concatenate two strings. So the first string will be test1 equal to first word and test2 equal to second word. Var test3. Test3 equal to test1 plus test2. Document.write text3. Let's add a single quote between. So we add a space in the single quote. So as you can see, it has concatenated the two string into one. Let's remove it. Var keyboard equal to QWERTY. And var length equal to keyboard dot length. The length will display the number of characters in it. So here we have 6 characters. And the length is plus length. Now let's see the substring. Let's display it. As you can see, we have an error. And to look for error, so we go to console. In the console, the error will be displayed. So as you can see, the error is uncode reference error. So what we will do is we need to add keyboard.substring. So the substring method extracts the characters from a string. Between bracket we have the start and the end. So the first one is the start. It is a position where to start the instruction. First character. End is optional. So the end is the position up to where to end the instruction. and if omitted, it will extract the rest of the string. So the start will be 2 and the end will be 5 in our case, and E or T will be extracted. So now let's see arrays. Now let's change it to display another character. So here you can change it accordingly. Now let's prompt the user. Our name equal to prompt. So let's prompt. Please enter your name. So enter your name here will be as placeholder. If name is not equal to null, then document.getElement by ID. We can also use document.getElement by clause, and we have different ways of getting element. We will see how we'll get an element by ID. Now we will create a div ID. So div ID equal to display, and the ID will be display dot inner HTML equal to, so we are assigning the inner HTML to hello plus name. So hello and the name will be displayed together. So we enter Blade programming, and as you can see, hello Blade programming is displayed. Now let's add a button. So button, and if I add click me, so click me will be as text in the button, but nothing will happen. So let's add a button click event on click equal to button function. In the head we will add a script tag, function button function, document.write hello. So when we click it, hello is displayed. So now let's put an alert, and as you can see the message box is displayed. So now let's see how loop work in JavaScript. For I, so we are declaring I. For I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. So it will loop through the I. So count plus plus will increment it by 1. Document.write count is so plus I, and the count will be incremented. We add the BO to move it to the next line. As you can see, it is displayed. And I will add a BO tag in front. So guys, these are fundamentals of JavaScript language, but hopefully this gives you a solid foundation of the JavaScript language. And thanks for watching guys. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.